Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can fix when our game or the game that we want is not using GPU. So if you have a certain game in your device and you wanted it to use your graphics card or GPU, then we will be able to do that by just following the few simple processes that I'm going to show you in this video. So please do finish watching this video. The very first thing we need to do is to go to our settings. We can do that by simply making a right click here in our Windows icon and then go to settings, or we can just make a search here in the Windows search tab, type settings. You will see under best match the settings option. So please click on that and it will now open. So here in the left pane, you will see all the options under settings. Just please click the system options and you will see the very first option, display, monitors, brightness, night light, display profile. So please click on that. Once you do that and you scroll down till the very last section, you will see the last section, related settings. So please click on the graphics option here and then you will be able to see the default settings, custom settings for application, and you can also add an app. So here all you need to do is just to leave the options or leave the settings here, leave them be. And for the applications, just select the game that you have in your device. Since I don't have any game in my device, I won't be able to share to you on how you can do it on the game. But let's say for example this application here is the game, so I'll be just using the VLC media player to show it to you on how you can do it. So click on that, and the next thing you need to do is to go to the GPU preference and then click on this drop down button here and then click on the high performance AMD Radeon TM graphics. And doing that, you will be able to see the change in the graphics or the visuals of your games that you set as a high performance. So it will be using now the graphics card in your device. And also you can leave these optimizations for windowed games turned on. Okay, and if you change the settings here, you can also make reset to the default settings. So please make sure that this is set to high performance, and please make sure also that this is turned on. Once you've done that, please just make a quick restart with your device before opening the game that you want to play. Okay, so let me just close this one. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and of course subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you on the next one. Bye bye.